So hello everybody, welcome back to my another Unity tutorial. In this tutorial I gonna show you how to import a FBX character with textures from Mixamo to Unity. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So here I have opened Mixamo and also I have selected a character named the Mitchell. Oops. And I have selected a animation name idle. You can see this is the idle animation, so we will download it. So click on download and remember to select format FBX for Unity and the keyframe reduction to uniform and skin to width skin, then download. And then it will start downloading, so wait for some time. Now you can see it is downloaded, so we will directly drag it to Unity and then drag it to the scene. Reset the transform in it. And place it anywhere you want and increase the size. Okay. So here you can see there are no textures in it. So for this, go to the prefab, go to the materials here and at the location here is use embedded materials. You nothing have to do and just select use external materials legacy and then apply. And then fix now. So here you can see the textures are imported automatically in it. So you can see there are textures in the character. So this video ends here. It's pretty much for this video, and if you like the video, so please like the video, comment how was the video and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.